train out approaching platform 2.
Alright folks, here comes a rare 8-car Blue Line Dublin Pleasanton train now approaching Powell Street Station on platform number 2. A Blue Line is 8 cars long. This is the train I'll be hopping on to go back to Coliseum, the East Bay of Oakland. This train is 8 cars long. We'll be stopping right here. With the cutoffs in the back. It's gonna be stopping way up there.
Now moving out Powell Street. This is a Blue Line train to Dublin, Pleasanton.